Are you ready to take your core training to the next level? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best ab rollers with elbow support, designed to help you strengthen your abs, improve stability, and train more comfortably than ever before. Let's roll right into it. At number 5, we have the Changfeng AB roller with elbow support. The Changfeng AB roller with elbow support is a thoughtfully engineered fitness tool that enhances your core workout experience through stability, comfort, and efficiency. Built with an ergonomic design, it features supportive elbow pads that reduce wrist strain and provide better balance, allowing users of all fitness levels to train confidently and effectively. One of its standout features is the automatic rebound function, powered by an upgraded spring mechanism that offers smooth rollouts and effortless retraction. This design not only minimizes muscle fatigue, but also helps maintain proper form, making your workout sessions more productive and safe. Equipped with a 4-wheel system, the Changfeng AB roller ensures superior stability during use, distributing weight evenly and engaging the core, shoulders, and back muscles for a comprehensive strength training session. The durable ABS construction and non-slip wheels allow smooth operation across different surfaces, whether you're exercising on a mat, tile, or wooden floor. Despite its robust build, the roller remains lightweight and portable, making it easy to store or carry wherever your fitness routine takes you. Whether at home, in the gym, or on the go, the Changfeng AB roller with elbow support offers a convenient and effective way to sculpt your abs, strengthen your upper body, and improve overall core stability with every roll. Next up, at number 4, we have the Uota AB roller with elbow support. The Uota AB roller with elbow support is an innovative fitness tool designed to enhance stability, safety, and comfort during ab workouts. Featuring a double widened wheel design, it provides superior balance and control by expanding the wheelbase and increasing the ground contact area. This structure minimizes lateral sway, allowing users to maintain a steady form throughout each repetition. One of the standout features of this ab roller is its integrated elbow support system, which delivers an extra layer of stability while reducing arm strain and compensatory movement. By focusing the effort on the core muscles, this design helps users achieve more precise abdominal engagement and better overall results. The ergonomic elbow pads also minimize fatigue, making it easier to sustain longer training sessions without discomfort. The Uota AB roller incorporates a revolutionary automatic rebound system with intelligent auxiliary brakes and a built-in brake mechanism. This ensures smooth and controlled motion during rollouts and returns, helping both beginners and advanced users perform the exercises safely while maintaining proper form. Crafted from multi-layer materials, the roller combines durability and functionality. It includes an anti-slip layer for traction, a reinforcement layer for strength, a damping layer for shock absorption, and noise reduction layers for quieter operation. The detachable handle is wrapped in thick, sweat-absorbent foam for a secure and comfortable grip, while the thickened foam cushion beneath the elbows offers additional protection against pressure and strain. Blending advanced engineering with ergonomic design, the Uota AB roller with elbow support provides an efficient, comfortable, and safe way to strengthen the core, sculpt the abs, and improve overall stability during workouts. Taking the third spot is the Poyipi AB roller with elbow support. The Poyipi AB roller with elbow support is a thoughtfully engineered fitness tool designed to enhance core training through stability, safety, and comfort. Built with advanced features, it provides a smooth and efficient workout experience for users of all fitness levels. At its core lies an automatic rebound design, incorporating intelligent auxiliary braking technology and a built-in brake system that ensures smooth, controlled motion during each rollout. This innovation helps maintain rhythm and reduces strain, allowing for a safer and more efficient exercise routine. The inclusion of elbow support is a key highlight of this upgraded model. This design feature enhances balance, minimizes side shifts, and prevents overuse of the arms. By providing proper support, it helps target abdominal and core muscles more effectively, ensuring accurate engagement without unnecessary arm fatigue or injury risk. The Poyipi AB roller also serves as a 2-in-1 fitness tool, functioning both as an abdominal trainer and a tablet supporter, making it convenient for following guided workouts or fitness videos. Its 5-layer non-slip wheel structure, composed of non-slip, enhanced, shock absorption, noise reduction, and support layers, ensures exceptional grip, quiet operation, and durability during training sessions. With its 4-wheel design and widened base, the roller offers a stable and secure exercise experience. The increased wheel spacing expands the contact area with the ground, reducing rolling instability and enhancing user confidence during movement. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the Poyipi AB roller helps strengthen not only the abdomen but also the shoulders, back, chest, and core muscles. Its structure supports efficient muscle activation while maintaining proper form, making it a comprehensive tool for building strength, balance, and definition across multiple muscle groups. Coming in at number 2 is the Flexella AB roller with elbow support. The Flexella AB roller with elbow support is a thoughtfully engineered fitness tool designed to bring professional-level core training into your home workouts. It combines functionality, comfort, and versatility to help users of all fitness levels develop a strong, sculpted core efficiently and safely. One of its standout features is the 3 adjustable resistance levels, allowing users to tailor their workout intensity. Whether you're focusing on endurance training or explosive power, this ab roller adapts seamlessly, supporting your progression as your strength improves. It's ideal for both beginners seeking foundational core stability and advanced users aiming for high-performance results. The removable elbow support enhances versatility and stability during workouts. This feature not only helps reduce unnecessary side shifts, but also targets key abdominal muscles such as the rectus abdominis and obliques more effectively. Its design ensures that every movement contributes to building a stronger, more defined core while engaging multiple muscle groups across the body. For comfort and safety, the Flexella AB roller incorporates an ergonomic design with cushioned elbow rests. These reduce pressure on wrists and shoulders, helping users maintain proper form and minimize injury risks during intense sessions. Adding to its practicality, the strong automatic rebound system assists users by storing energy during forward motion and releasing it smoothly during the return, making the exercise more fluid and controlled. This system is particularly helpful for beginners, providing a safer and more supportive core workout experience. Built with a premium rubber wheel, the Flexella AB roller ensures smooth and stable rolling on various surfaces, be it hardwood, carpet, or tile, without noise or floor damage. Its silent, controlled performance allows for focused training anytime, anywhere. Combining innovative design, adjustable resistance, and superior comfort, the Flexella AB roller with elbow support delivers an efficient way to strengthen your core, enhance stability, and achieve well-defined abs from the comfort of home. And finally, our top pick, the DMoose AB roller with elbow support. The DMoose AB roller with elbow support is a premium fitness tool designed to maximize core strength, stability, and endurance. Engineered for 360-degree core engagement, it effectively targets the abs, obliques, and surrounding muscles, delivering a full range of motion that enhances definition and strength. Whether you're aiming to sculpt your midsection or improve overall balance, this ab wheel provides a challenging and efficient workout experience. Comfort is at the forefront of its design, featuring high-density foam elbow rests and 2 supportive knee pads that reduce pressure during intense sessions. The ergonomic structure not only enhances comfort, but also ensures correct posture, allowing for longer and more effective workouts. The DMoose AB roller's handles are carefully shaped for an ergonomic grip, minimizing hand strain and improving control. This thoughtful detail ensures that every roll is smooth and stable, letting you maintain focus on your form and fitness goals. Designed to perform quietly and smoothly on any surface, the rubber-coated wide wheel glides effortlessly across floors without causing noise or damage. This makes it an excellent addition to any home gym setup, offering the convenience of professional quality training without disruption. Durability is another standout feature. Constructed with a premium stainless steel frame, the DMoose AB roller is built to endure rigorous daily use while maintaining its performance and structure. It's a long-term investment in your health and fitness, combining strength, comfort, and precision in one compact piece of equipment. With its robust build, ergonomic design, and full core engagement, the DMoose AB roller with elbow support is an ideal companion for anyone looking to elevate their workout routine and achieve visible, lasting results.